But anyways, not too bad. A lot of sanding. Hi guys, and welcome back. I think today we're gonna jump back on the Bronco. Probably clean some more on the engine compartment. I'm gonna focus on this side here. Try and get this down to bare metal, or at least where I know there's no rust behind the paint. I'm gonna get the front tube, try to get half of it done today, hopefully. The reason I'm not working on the International is because for the life of me I cannot find these bolts anywhere local. They have the bolts, they just don't have them long enough. I need about 5 inches for the engine stand and to lock into the block here. So I'm gonna have to either order those or I think I'm gonna go by Ace today and see if they have any there. Anyway, waiting on parts. Waiting on the oil pan gasket and oil pump. Haven't bought the oil pan yet. I think maybe I can hammer it out and make it usable. I'll have to not spend money unless I have to. But I did buy a couple of things at Home Depot the other day, or yesterday, when I was looking for bolts. Bought 2 more of these. These work pretty well for us, taking paint off. And I also got this stripping brush you put on your gel. It's a stripping brush you put on your drill. We're gonna give that a shot, see if that helps any. I think it might help get in the hard to reach places, maybe. I'm gonna get as far as I can with this today. I like to take these bolts out, which I don't think they're gonna come out. Anyways, get this side cleaned up as best I can. Just don't know how to get back in there, which it doesn't look bad in there. I just want to go over it just in case there's something underneath, and then we'll paint it all that color, which that still looks pretty good. Anyways, and two, my camera decided to update, so it took a while and my battery's already going down. So we don't have too long out here before work, but we'll at least try to knock some more of this out and get it where it's looking better. Well, we got a little bit more done. Didn't quite make halfway like I wanted, but I got kind of close. Just need to take some paint back there, get closer to the tub here, and that angle grinder, not angle grinder, but the little air tool that we're using started spraying water everywhere and it wouldn't work, so I get that figured out. But it did pretty good. It's having a hard time getting down in here where I really need to get where that rust is down there. But I made a little bit more progress. Debating on putting it out back outside, getting the pressure washer and just pressure washing all the dirt off in here again. I'm trying to on that side too, because that's what's clogging up my stuff, is all this dirt. Anyways, I'm gonna do that at some point, is push this back out there and pressure wash just this inside here engine compartment area, and bring it back in and let it dry off. There's a few holes over here need to fix. I'm debating on keeping the original jack that went right here. Not sure if I'll do that or not. I think the brake booster goes over here somewhere. It might be in the way. Not too bad. It's a lot of sanding. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. Like I said, we wait on parts for the straight six for the International, so we'll continue to grind down the engine compartment best we can and get it ready for paint while we're waiting on parts. But as soon as those come in and I find some screws that will work, we'll bolt this thing up to the engine stand and get ready to flip it over and look at the bottom part, see if we need any bearings or anything like that, and probably replace some seals and stuff. But I'm doing I sell this all month, but if I get 500 subscribers by the end of March, I'll eat the world's hottest chocolate on camera. We're at 470. I lost a couple, I think, because we went to the International, which is to be expected. But I thank y'all, the ones that stuck around. It does mean a lot. This channel is not on just strictly Bronco. You know, I got International back here, 65 Austin Healey behind it that needs to get done, and a 78 Camaro out in the barn that needs a full restoration. Don't have the 65 GMC or the 50 Chevrolet anymore. We kind of sold those to get money for the truck, or to get it going, get out of the garage and enjoy it, and we have more room in here. But with that being said, like I say, thank you again for everybody that stuck with me. Be bouncing back and forth between these two, but as soon as we get enough parts for the International, we're going to hit it hard and try to get it out of here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.